Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VT for All. In this video, we are going to solve a very important question of aptitude which is based on top MNCs companies and which are asked by the company. So these are the general questions, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is totally depend on the formulas or some basic concept. This is type 1 question. In the next video, I will give the detailed explanation of the another type 2 questions. So let's solve it one by one. So let's come our first question, which is a train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? So these are the four options which is given here: 120 meter, 180 meter, 324 meter and 150 meter. So let's solve our first question. So here we are solving our first question. So in this, what is the given data? Speed equal to 60 km per hour and time which is 9 seconds. So as we can clearly see that the time is given in the second. So first we convert this 60 km per hour to meter per second. So how can we convert? We have to multiply 60 into 5 by 18. So when you solve, you will get this is 5 6 is 30. So 300 by 18. If you convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply 5 by 18. If you convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply 18 by 5. These are the two important things we have to remember in the problem which is based on the train. So in first question, we have to find the length of the train, which is nothing but the distance. We can say that. So length of the train, which is equals to speed of the train into time of the train, which is taken by the train 9 seconds. So speed equals to, which is 300 by 18 and time taken which is 9. So this is 9 to 18 and this is 150 times. So length of the train which is 150 meter. So here our D option is correct. So now we are going to solve second question, which is a train 125 meter long passes a man running at 5 km per hour in the same direction in which a train is going in 10 seconds. So find the speed of the train. So first we find the speed relative to the man, because man is also given in this question. So now let's solve this problem. This is problem number 2. So first we find speed of the train relative to man, which is nothing but 125 by 10. This is the length of the train, which can we say the distance, and this is the time. So when you solve, you will get 25 by 2 meter per second. As we can clearly see that the speed which is given in the option which is kilometer per hour. So first we convert this meter per second into kilometer per hour. So how can we convert? Which is nothing but multiply this one by 18 by 5, because here we are converting meter per second to the kilometer per hour. So this is 5 times and this is 9 times. So when you solve, you will get 45 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the train relative to the man. Now in the question, we have to find the speed of the train. So here let me consider speed of train be x kilometer per hour. So the relative speed which is x minus 5 kilometer per hour. Why I am consider 5 here? Because this is the relative speed of the man. That's why I am subtracting 5 from the speed of the train. So x minus 5, which is equals to 45. So x equals to 45 5 plus 5, which is equals to 50 kilometer per hour. So B option is the correct answer. So now move to our third question, which is two trains running in opposite direction cross a man on the platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. So their ratio of their speed is. So in this question, we have to find the ratio of the speed of the both the trains. Let's solve this problem. This is problem number 3. So in this case, we consider that the speed of the two train be x meter per second and by meter per second. So speed of train A we consider x meter per second and speed of train B which is equals to y meter per second. So the length of the train is length of train A which is equals to 27x meter and length of train B which is equals to 17y meter. So time which is equals to distance by speed. We know that distance equals to speed into time. So when you calculate the time which is equals to distance by speed, and distance is nothing but the length of the train and speed is nothing but we are considering here x and y. So time equals to what distance is 27x plus 17y divided by speed which is x plus y. And what is the time which is given in this question? Here 23 seconds is given there. So 23 which is equals to 27x plus 17y divided by x plus y. So when you solve it you will get 23x plus 23y which is equals to 27x plus 17y. So now 27x minus 23x which is equals to 17y minus 23y. So here this is 23y and this is 17 minus 17y. So when you solve you will get this is 4x which is equals to 6y. So we have to find the ratio of x y which is equals to 6y4. So 2 3 are 6 and 2 2 are 4. So x y equals to 3y2 which is 3 ratio 2. So here our option B is the correct answer. Now move to our fourth question, which is a train passes a station in 36 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 54 km per hour, what is the length of the platform? So this is another type of question which is based on the different concept. So let's solve this problem. So here our fourth question. So in this question, we can clearly see that we have to find the length of the platform. So in the option, the length of the platform is given in meter. So we have to convert the speed which is given here, which is 54 km per hour. We have to convert this into the meter per second. Speed which is equals to 54 km per hour. So first we convert this speed into meter per second, which is 54 into 5 by 18. So 18 3 are 54. So 5 3 are 15 meter per second. This is the speed of the train. So now first we find the length of the train. Length of the train. This is nothing but the distance. So distance goes to speed into time. So what is the speed which is 15 into, and time is given in this question which is 20 seconds. So 20. So this is 300 meter. This is the length of the train. But in this question we have to find the length of the platform. So how can we find? So here we are consider that let length of the platform be x. This is length. So here we are using formula which is speed equals to distance by time. So speed equal to length of train plus length of the platform divided by time. So already we got the speed which is 15 which is equals to, and length of the train which is 300 plus, and length of the platform we have to find. So we are consider this as a x divided by time is given in this question which is 36. So now 15 into 36 which is equals to 300 plus x. So x equals to, when you multiply it, it will get 540 minus 300. So x equals to 240 meter. This is the length of the platform we have to find in this question. So option B is the correct answer. So this is the all general question which is based on the formula. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.